16. So that's 16 chocolate cakes, right?
Sure.
Oh, did your mom make you 16 chocolate cakes?
I hope so. Did you?
Oops, I need to get on that.
You guys can go right on to the other side.
Of course, well, you can come join us. Perfect. Well, where are you from?
Orlando.
Orlando. Oh, so is it a really warm kingdom?
Yes.
Yes, it doesn't really ever snow, does it?
No, not
No.
really. I mean, it gets cold sometimes.
Sometimes.
But... Oh, look what I got for my birthday.
What'd you get for your birthday?
Oh, that's amazing.
That's beautiful.
Oh, it's from your birthday, Anna.
Yeah.
Speaking of birthdays.
Yeah.
She threw me the best birthday party. And she gave me lots of presents and I had to go all over the kingdom to look for them.
It's fun.
Yes. I think my favorite, though, was the bracelet. Because it both had sunflowers and snowflakes on it.
I think my favorite was the song.
What
Okay,
about the
here's-
cake?
The cake though.
Thank
What
you.
is
There's flowers and snowflakes on here too, so.
Oh my goodness.
Perfect. I love that.
It's a bracelet too, so.
It's just like yours.
Did you give him that? Oh.
Maybe. Well, would you mind getting a picture with that?
Sure.